Only a few millimeters long, this leaf miner is tunneling under the skin where he can avoid the bitter tannins and get to the juicy sweet bits. In just 2 days he leaves a trail of destruction, and his appetite shows no signs of slowing. Most insects are too big to squeeze inside a leaf, so they must be more selective in how they attack. Many eat carefully between the veins, avoiding areas with higher concentrations of tannins, leaving the leaf skeletonized in their wake. But they themselves could easily fall prey to birds. So, disguise is the key to their success. Swallowtails have eye spots to look like snakes. The hag moth caterpillar resembles a big spider, but the most cunning disguise of all is to mimic the parts of the leaf that they've already eaten. Many New England caterpillars look like nothing more than leaf damage. Filling in the gaps with their bodies makes them less visible to birds.